Canva just dropped crazy new update and here are the top 5. Hey, my name is Swam. I'm a Canva Verified Expert. This is the episode 1 of what's new inside the Canva. So let's get started. So the first feature we have magic layer. You can access it on the home page. If you are not able to see, then open any design you like. I'm opening the Instagram post here. So you can see the canvas is blank. So once you upload any image, so I have this design. When I select this design and click on edit, you will see the magic layer here. So just click on it. It will analyze your design and give you all the layers of this particular design. So you can edit it on the go. So you can see here when you click on position, and here you will see all the layers we have in our design. So if I want to add a little text here, so one big white, okay, so you can also do design changes as you like. All the layers are editable. You can see here as well. If you want to delete, you can. If you want to make any changes, you can easily go and download any size you like. So let's try this with another photo. You can see this, all the layers are separated in the burger. You can merge it and create amazing match and move animation. If you want me to create an amazing match and move animation by using this layer, comment animation. I will create a separate video about it. So the next update we have from the Claude. Now you can able to access Canva inside the Claude as well. So all you have to do is just click on this customize and click on this connector. I have already connected this Canva. So here you will see once you click on the Canva and you can see this connect button. So once you connect, you are able to access your Canva designs, and you can also create design by using prompts only. Let me show you how you can do it. So just click on new chat and here you can see @Canva, and now you can type, just send it. So you can see these are bunch of operation you can perform after connecting your Canva account with the cloud. So I will ask it to create a design. Create a design on graphic designer hiring poster design. Okay, so let's hit. I'm selecting my style, a minimal and clean. Also job posting we are hiring. So two question it asked me. So let's see what it will generate. If you want me to create a dedicated video about Canva plus Claude, how you can utilize and get most out of it, then comment Claude. I will create a separate video about this. So as you can see, we have selected the minimal style. So we have this particular design which is really amazing. If you want, you can further provide the prompt. According to that, it will create your design. Okay, so like this you can create design inside the Claude. So if you are editing photos inside the Canva, then this feature is very useful for you. So all you have to do is just select the image you like and click on edit. You will see this amazing feature, Vectoryfy. So just click on it. It will showcase your image which you have selected, and now you can see full color and black and white. So if you want to convert your image into a black and white, so you can, and if you want to go with the full color, then just select it and convert to vector. But I will suggest you go with the full color. So now you can see your image is converted into a vector. If you want, you can adjust the color you like. Also, you can just go back and choose the styles which is provided by the app. So I like this one. I can click on it. You can also reduce or increase the number of color in your image. So I want 4 colors. You can also simplify the vector to remove the complexity and just hit to add to design. So now your vector version is added. So you can see this is the vector image. So you can delete it and use this one. You can also create amazing t-shirt by using the vector images. If you want to watch the video, I will pin that particular video. So after this, you can watch that. So let's try this with another photo. And here you can see this is the vector I've just created. This update will definitely increase your productivity while creating design inside the Canva. So previously, if you want to ungroup any elements, so you need to just click on ungroup and entire group will be ungrouped. But now you can select any of the elements in your group and just click on ungroup. It will automatically remove that particular element inside the group. You can see I have the group, but only this particular element is out of the group. So this is very time saver and definitely increase your productivity while creating design inside the Canva. So now you can see when I undo it, you can see now it's the part of the group. If you want to remove this from the group, just select the element and click on ungroup. So now you can see here, you can see this is out of the group. If you want it, you can again select it and Control G. It will now inside the group. You can also adjust the location inside the group. If you can see, I can just place it anywhere here or this element here without ungrouping any of my element. You can see if I want, I can place it here, but still all the element inside the group. So if you are designing inside the Canva, this will definitely time savior for you as well as increase your productivity while creating design inside the Canva. So try this cool stuff with different kind of designs you have created. So if you think this video is helpful for you, do like, share and subscribe, which motivate us to create such kind of amazing content. So till then, take care of yourself, tata and bye bye. See you to the next amazing video. I have pinned all my best videos I have created. Just see. Till then, take care.